lovers, are you ready to take your taste bud on an unforgettable ride? Today I'm cooking something special, rich, flavorful and packed with smoky goodness. This is smoked squirrel. This is the ultimate local delicacy and I'm going to show you how to prepare it in the right way. Let's get started. First, we need to clean our bush meat properly to remove any foul and gamey smell. I will start by roasting it slightly over an open flame. This gives it an authentic, smooth, sweet flavor. Then I'll wash it thoroughly with warm water and salt before cutting it into a bite-sized pieces. Or if you are not cooking with it immediately, you can decide to just remove all the internal organs and then smoke it as a whole. Just like the first one, the second one too was roasted over an open flame, dissected of all the internal organs, washed properly before then cooking it. Once the meat has been thoroughly cleaned and washed, then put everything in your pot and then let's season it. So for the seasoning, I will add some chopped onions, seasoning cubes, salt and a little dry pepper. I will let this simmer on low heat so that the flavor can infuse deeply. Trust me, the aroma alone will let your neighbors come knocking on your door. Even your enemy will beg for some of this meat. Cover this up and let it cook between 45 to 1 hour and turn to the other side, okay? So when everything has been completely cooked and you can see that the water has gone down at least by 80%, then remove it from the fire and the next thing to do is to smoke it to perfection, especially if you are not cooking it on that day. This is the best way to preserve your meat. You see those meat you see by the roadside, they say this is how it is being made. So cover this up and then let's smoke it. You can smoke between 2 to 3 days for complete drying. Smoking your meat like this, you can reserve it at home for about 3 months, 4 months without getting spoiled. This meat can be used in making your favorite stew, your egusi soup, or bolo, or anything of your choice. Okay? So guys, now you have made for yourself a very beautiful and authentic bushmeat. So my beautiful people, if you have watched this video till this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly do. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any interesting and beautiful videos anytime I drop them, as I'll be dropping new videos every week. So until next week when I come again, I remain your beautiful host, S.C. God bless you. Bye.